Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. 44 Can't Say. My name is Carlo. Yeah, today I'm going to teach you how to use Canva to design for your clothing brand and how I use Canva actually to design my clothing brand, to design every aspect of t-shirt, hoodie, uh, uh, jersey. But for this one, I'm going to actually teach you how I use the Canva to actually design this common hoodie for the winter. So yeah, this is what actually I'm going to teach you today. So let's go into it.
So I opened up Canva and I started picking my hoodie or what I'm going to design. So I pick up the hoodie. I open up small a bit to make it look too big on the screen, and then I go to elements to pick up a letter C. Yeah, I pick up the X first for sure, and later I find out that I don't like this kind of font. So I pick up the C font, and I like the C font. Yeah. So I pick the C font and I open up to check everything was cool. And I decided to use the same font as the C. I really like Roman lettering. Yeah. So I use the Roman sans serif for the letter C also, the X also, to make it look the same. So I lower it. Yeah, that's minimize. I minimize it small. I lower the letter cases and to look so small on the hoodie. So I decided to put it on the I think the left side chest or the right side. I think, yeah. Sorry, yeah. I'm tripping, yeah, for sure. So I just lower the cases small to look small on the hoodie. As you can see. So this is what I use Canva for my clothing brand here. So I lower it and now I see that everything is cool. So I came back to go to uploads to upload some fire image that I had downloaded on Pinterest. Yeah. So I lowered the fire image also to put it on the C, and I did the same to the X. Yeah. So I go back to the upload to take the fire image again, and I uploaded it on the letter S also. Yeah. As you can see, it looks nice, man. It looks nice. I actually did this thing early this morning. So I go back to tap on the Kante. That's my brand name, my clothing brand name, 44 Kante. Yeah, so I write the Kante on there. I normally use Kante on my t-shirt than the 44. Yeah. So I use the Kante on it. So CS, that's a Kante. CS. So I pick up the CS logo also to put it on the left side. I think the right side, left side, yeah. Sure. So the logo side and the name logo also side. Yeah. So this is our final way. To the down also, the track pad as the joggers. Yeah. I took the joggers, put it on, trying to choose my letter C in the element. Right to the element to pick the C and the S. I already know my fonts already, so I'm not going to struggle with this one. I just did it fast to make it like clean sheet, and yeah. So I'll pick the C, I'll lower it small, put it there. I took the S, lower it, and place it there first. Because now I know my design already. I don't want to keep long on this thing. Yeah. So I lower this one also. I came back also to lower the S also to make it look a bit same. So I go back, I minimize it, and I go back to took my fire image. Yeah. So I went to the element to took the logo first. Yeah, this time I took the logo first. Forgot even. Sorry. So I took the logo first, put it on. I think it's very big, so I lower it a little bit small to make it look small on the joggers. Yeah, that's it. So I came back to the uploads to pick up my my fire image to put it inside the C and the X. That is the can't say. Yes, sir. Go back to upload it to the fire, put it on this S also. Yes, I think this one was stubborn small. Lower it a little bit before I can. Yes, sir, I did it. And I go to the text to type the can't say on the joggers. So, yeah, so this is what I use Canva for. I know how to use the Photoshop and everything also, but Canva is it's simple for me to create something faster than using Photoshop. It's kind of complicated for me, but I'm good in it. I also use Procreate also. That was also fast to me. Yeah, but Canva is also fast to me. Yeah, I have the Pro account and also free account. Yeah, so I'm normally using the Pro. Yeah, so this is it.
Yeah, so this is what I actually use for designing my brand t-shirts, hoodie, every t-shirt that you see me wearing. I started using Canva before going into Photoshop, Procreate. Although I'm good in those things, those application also, but I started using Canva before going to Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Procreate, and PicArt. A lot of designing side that we all have. So I mainly use Canva to design for my brand, everything. So this one actually I use Canva. Yeah, so this is how we can use Canva to design your upcoming clothes. If you are finding it difficult to use your Photoshop or Procreate, I think Procreate is also quite easy to use for your designs. If you are using iPad with Apple Pencil, it's kind of cool and it's far easy, and also goes to Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator also. But for me, I use Canva not all the time though, but when I feel like okay, this design I want to use Canva, like this one that I did with Canva. Yeah. So not all though, but some designs I use Canva to design. So this is what we have for you today, guys. So you know what? Make sure you subscribe to the channel, share to your friends, and comment, and let's know your ideas, anything that you want to learn on how to use for your this and that, or you can know in the comment section. So share to your friends, subscribe to the channel, and know what? Peace out.